Okay. Hi guys, finally got it to work. Finally got it to work. Live stream time. And now this won't work. Why won't it work? Good, 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 good. Now it should work. What's left? Do this. Okay, sorry guys. It's been a long time. I haven't set up a live stream on my computer. To date, to date. What am I doing? I am basically right now trying to test a crack. Basically, I'm gonna say it straight up. Uh, I cracked Endstone way back when I was a kid, and I'm trying to update it to the newest firmwares. So like 4.84. I know there's a 4.85, but he updated his security and everything. So at least if I can bring it to 4.84, it's gonna be a big step forward. And I think I just found a solution. So give me a second, guys. I'll be updating. Basically, right now I'm testing Fusion. I already did Destiny. If people were on my Discord server, it's in the description below, and you can join the Discord server, test my latest cracks, release, whatever. And basically, right now, with the coronavirus, I'm bored, so I'm trying to go back to something that was unfinished. So now I'm trying Fusion on Black Ops 1. We're gonna open my target manager. As you can see, last time I crashed. So now we hope to have better results. Because basically what I did was I forgot I just forgot to load directly in multiplayer. And I hope it works. Oh, I know why we could crash again. My PS3 is so slow. And it crashed. And I'm not even surprised. Because what I forgot is to add some time. Here, process, blah blah blah, sleep 30. We're gonna sleep a bit more. 27. Actually, we're gonna make it. We're gonna exaggerate and we're gonna double. Build solution. Okay, so basically what I'm doing, because I made this for Destiny, so now I have to make it for Black Ops 1, right? So we go here in documents. This is my project. I'll get into the project a little bit more in details because if ever there's a dev that wants to step in and try. So now we encrypted it, it compiled. We want to go in the SDK cell, those bin. Okay, this is my SDK. I dropped the file here. I got a batch file. Basically, this will execute the unself executable. Boom. Now the tool is decrypted. I know it's called BO2, but it's BO1. Then we put an X because we want to edit something. Control F. Search for. Boom. This is like syscalls. We want to change that. So we're going to go in paste bin, my paste bin. There you go. We want to replace Sony syscall by Endstone syscall here. Control find. Control find. Control find. This should be the last. Okay, so now we're done. We don't need the backup and we don't need the SPRX. So this is the PRX. The test bat will make itself. So boom, we re-encrypted. We don't need this anymore. This, we're gonna transfer it, but we're gonna change its name because it's BO1. I know it's not Destiny, but fuck it, I'm lazy. I put it on my USB on plugins, and we're gonna restart the PS3. The easy way is just using Webman. Boom, restarts the PS3. Let's hope that I don't freeze while resetting the PS3. Oh, this error. That's important. I was looking for this error. Save. Okay, so we're gonna clear this. PS3 reboots. We're gonna connect to it. Oops. Hi guys. So basically right now cracking BO1 Fusion for you guys. It might not work. We had many issues. And right now my PS3 is stalling. Yeah, wait a minute. I might have to shut it down. Well, it is stalling. Okay. So 1 second. Okay. Yeah, one's gonna load. Now let's hope we have no issues. Cannot destroy. Interesting. Okay. Fingers crossed. This will work. And if this doesn't work, we're gonna just force inject. loading, it's loading, it's loading. I think I'm gonna crash again. Oh no! There's hope. There's hope. The game just loaded, guys. And fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Okay. So, basically, it failed because I think this is not enough. So we're gonna put 120 here. We're gonna double down because basically it has to inject at the right moment, and the game still didn't load fully. You know what? I'll even 440. Like fuck it. Wait feedback. Oh, 30. We're just gonna put here. I don't know. We're gonna put some time here. Here we were at 60. It went better, so we're gonna put 80. No, fuck it. We're gonna put 120. We're gonna make everything weight more. Uh, 10. Good. Sorry, guys. So, this is the painful process of cracking something. So now I just added more time to let the game load because Black Ops 1 is really a bitch to load. Uh, we go in project. I swear to God, we're gonna get through this live. We're gonna get it working. Boom. Okay, this won't work anymore. We same process. So we decrypt the fucking thing. It didn't work because I used the executable instead of the batch file. Batch file. Here we go. We put it full screen. We're searching for the value of Sony syscall. We want to look in all the thing. We're gonna overwrite with these bytes. These bytes are basically what Enstone use on every Cappy before Rev 5 of the newest, which is right now 2.80, I think. Boom. 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 Anywhere else? No. We're gonna save. Okay, here we go. This and this is useless. We're gonna resign using a batch file. Boom. We don't need this. We're gonna rename it BO1 because we're like that. We're gonna replace our BO1 and we're gonna have to reset the PS3. So using Webman, going faster. Whoops, not that. I don't want. No, I don't want that. No, I'm not fixing the bug in Destiny actually. We are trying to get Black Ops 1 to work if you follow the stream. Because Destiny now works. It works flawlessly for me. Now I need people to test to see why it works good for me and other people also gets it to work good. Others just can't get it to work. From what I understand, it's because people patch their syscalls, which I never do. Um, they should try to patch the syscalls maybe after it's injected. I don't know. It's up to you guys to figure it out. But Destiny works. Now I'm trying to get Black Ops 1 to work. This is my source. Well, basically, I stole that source from Roulette. All credit goes. Oh, I stole basically. He was doing something else with Cappy. He just wanted to. I think they wanted to get it to work for Han or something. Something stupid. Nah, it wasn't stupid, but they wanted to do something else. I grabbed part of their source and turned it into a crack. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let's see target manager now. Memory remaining, it's good. Good so far. Please load, I beg you. Okay. Loading Black Ops, it's loading. Okay, so the thing is the game has to load before it injects, and right now that's the difficulty we have. I should make a check, but I'm lazy. Because there is a way to do the check the right way. Okay, now we're just waiting for the crack to get in because clearly I put way too much wait time. So while this is happening, we're just gonna wait. Wait. I'm gonna also, while we're here, I'm gonna release a SPRX for people that wants to get into the project. It's a SPRX that's gonna help you guys debug the cracks for Endstone's menu at least. Okay, we're still waiting. Basically, something's gonna happen here. I don't have nothing to record my screens, unfortunately, so it's kind of boring for you guys. You can't see, but we are really waiting here for it to load, and it's super long. Oh, injection failed. So the injection failed. Let me see. Connect. Attach. Where am I at? Where does it try to? Okay. Okay, we're gonna try something else. So it failed, unfortunately. Now we know that this is too long. Good to know that this was too long, but it wasn't it wasn't too much. It was just so I would put it to 80. It should lower, and we're gonna put it to 8. This seems more appropriate. Besides that, let's see why it failed. Okay, and I don't print anymore, so we're gonna print. So I don't want that to happen. We're gonna do a bool. It's gonna call error equal false, right? Equal true, something like that. I always put JM because Joe Milk, whatever. And instead of returning, fail to allocate, boom, boom. Okay. We're gonna put some prints because we're trying to debug equal false, and we're gonna return. Oops, I don't want to return. Basically, that's what I want to happen. My bad, guys. So print. Return a value of this. So if it doesn't go false, it will eject. If not, it won't. But this time around, by removing the return, it's still gonna do the whole process and see if it's just me. Okay, so we're gonna try this. I want to see where it fucks up. Oh, actually, I want to remove this. I want to know when it fails. Actually, here it failed to enable. No, I want to print instead because I don't really care what happens to the PS3. Boom. So, build solution. Not sure work. Oh, I got 8 errors. I hope they're IntelliSense. Yeah. So we remove that. No errors. It's ready for our second test. Uh, Second test. And again, if you ask questions, I'll go more in depth in what I'm doing. But for now, okay, so this, we did the steps already. It's all about doing them again and again and again and again. Control F. We are looking for this value. Actually, you know what? We could, never mind. Are we going PS3? Yeah, yeah, here you go. What I was doing was an exit. Yeah. So, boom. We're replacing bytes. That's basically PPC that we're replacing. So we're changing the code in assembler using Editor because I'm lazy. Change, yes. So now we go back to our folder. We remove the backup because it's useless. We want a test batch. The BO1 SPRX is here because we're gonna rename it to BO1. Okay, now guys, it's gonna be more interesting because it's gonna show some stuff on the debugger. There you go. Now we're gonna restart the PS3. Again, I'm using Webman. It's easier. Boom. Here we go. System quit. We're gonna clear. Okay, so the PS3 just booted. There you go. We're going on Black Ops 1. And now we're gonna see if Fusion works. Basically, for the people that tested before Fusion and it didn't work, it's because I had the wrong files in. I had the files for Destiny, but the crack was actually made for Black Ops 1, so it would just freeze. Now I just fixed that, and now we're trying to see why it's not working, but it should work because now, by the way, if you don't know, guys, we're on 4.81. We're trying to make, because we got the crack working with packets, and now we want to make it work with this version that will just inject it without packets with a SPRX. So let's go to our target manager. So the game is loading. Call of Duty Black Ops. Okay, it's reading HDD. I guess the game has fully loaded. Now we're gonna get some stuff here. If we don't get nothing here, that means it worked, which I highly doubt. But if it does, congrats to me. Okay. Last time it was long. Now it should be a bit less long. Three. Okay, injection failed. Failed to allocate. So it didn't work. Now, just curious, we're gonna try to crack Fusion without that. So I'm gonna just this packet sender. Which Call of Duty is that? Mm. Okay, we're gonna load file, desktop, FMT, no, destined source, object, debug, fusion, because it should work. So, what is needed here? I want this. We're gonna go here. Da, da, da. Boom, boom. Okay. So from 13 to here, we don't need that. We're gonna leave those two, just in case. Okay. So this settles. First, we send this. I don't want to save. Send. Send file. We go to the same place. Send file 3. Send file 13. Send file 15. 17. 19. We gotta send all those files. If you guys 23, 25, 27, oops, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. If I fuck up, save me, okay? You gotta tell me I fucked up. Okay, it worked. Oh shit. What version was I? I think I was there. 43, 45, 47, and 49. This should work. Now let's test it. Go in split screen. We're just gonna start a game just to see. Let's see if I crash also. Because this didn't work. Oh, game started. And I have Destiny. Fusion, sorry. Fusion works. Joe Milk. Anyway, this works. So we're gonna have to do something different. When things don't work, try something different. Okay, we're gonna delete this. Yes. Um, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this here successfully. Perfect. We're gonna have to restart the PS3. This don't work. So it works. Now we have to figure out why the SPRX doesn't work. 30 seconds. Delay should be enough. I don't want to wait more. Okay. So this is interesting, guys. If you're where's this tool? Oh, I closed it. Okay. So PRX loader 0.151, and here we're gonna put this. Control. Okay, and what we're gonna inject is the file that we made here. Here we go. Because I'm a bit lazy. But also we're gonna inject the okay, project capi debug with ID. I want this one. Here. We're gonna inject that too. Perfect. So first thing I want to inject, I want to start the game. First thing I want to do is start the game. Then I want to inject this bitch. Load. Let's see if it's gonna load. We're gonna clear all that. Poof. Did it work? I don't think it worked. Oh, it's 52. Damn it. 52. Could not find. What do you mean? Okay, this works. This doesn't work. Fuck you, it doesn't work. Am I doing something wrong, someone? I'm gonna just 0, 152. We're gonna do this. You said to change this to this. That's not what I want to do. Jesus Christ. Well, you know what? If it won't work, we're gonna try a different way. It has finished. So we're gonna restart the PS3. I'm gonna show you guys what this does, and it's quite interesting. Okay, so what this does, I'm gonna clear here. You know what? We're gonna clear all. Okay, so what this does, it will tell us everything that we send to the console. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna force the game to execute the same commands. I'm gonna try to put it like I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be more simple to explain after. Okay, here we go. We won't need that for a little while. So let's say I connect to my console here. We're gonna disconnect. We're gonna connect. You see, I just connected and it shows me all the packets that were sent to my console. So now we don't care about that, right? Not right now. We're gonna okay. PS2 is being fucking slow. There we go. Number of time I corrupted memory though. Okay. So we're gonna launch Black Ops 1 without anything and we're gonna send packets. Okay. Black Ops 1. We're gonna launch Black Ops 1. We're gonna need packet sender here. Portable. It's a tool I just found on the internet googling. It's really so the file that we load. Fuck. Desktop. Debug. And we want Fusion. Oh, fuck you. Fusion. So we want load file 1. Boom, game's loading. So for people who are not there, we're trying to crack Fusion. Basically the crack is working, but it's working on 2.71, and I want it to work on newer versions. Oh my god, seriously? Black Ops 1 is slow as fuck. Gonna wait the whole game. Okay, game is loading. Sorry, super slow. Now we're gonna try to send, but we're gonna get some debug here. So we're gonna clear this. We're just gonna wait. It's reading HDD. Okay, we're just gonna clear it all. Okay, send in packet one. So it sent this. Fuck me. Oh, there we go. So this is the connect. We're connecting to using Cappy. Packet 13 is read memory. So this packet is useless. We don't need it anymore. We're gonna delete packets later. But 13 is useless. 15 is useful. 17. Oh, this basically okay. 17 is useless. Do we even have fusion somewhere? Because 13 is useless. Where was I with this? I just sent 17, it was useless. 17 is useless. 19. 19 is useless as well. Good to know. 21. 21. 23 does something that I don't know and I don't care. 25 useless. 27 will be useless as well. That's interesting. 29, 31, 33, 35, 37. Now we're writing memory. 39, 41, 43, 45, 47. This is gonna be interesting, guys, because I'll teach you something. 50. Boom! So Fusion is running, basically. Actually, we're just gonna delete some. So 27 is useless. 29 is important. This one was useless. Okay, so this executes thread. So here's where Fusion is in memory when you have Fusion. Okay, it's this offset. So let's say we're gonna use my tool. We're gonna connect. We're gonna attach. We're gonna go here in memory. Boom. See if it worked. See, it didn't work. I don't think it worked. Unless I forgot to attach. No, didn't work. Because this shouldn't be null, by the way. So, didn't work. And we're gonna fact check just to be sure. Start a game. We're gonna clear all this. So basically, we sent all the packets. Oh, and the menu is working. So it worked. So it worked if it's not equal to, let's see. It tells me here. If, okay, so if it's not 0, it failed. So then I regret doing what I did. So we're gonna have to do it one more time because I was an idiot. Shit happens. Okay, now we're gonna re-inject it, take all the values, and we're gonna force them into the game. So basically we're gonna remove all this, like all this. We're just gonna remove it. Okay, so the PS3 restarted. We're gonna clear this. Whoop. We're gonna launch Black Ops. Goal is to get. Now we got all the things we need. I even think packet 1's not that useful, but we're gonna delete packet 1 too. Okay. So we're gonna send this, and it's gonna crack Fusion. But now we want to transfer packets to this. I forgot to put a debuggy boot. If someone's nice enough to make me a debuggy boot, that would be awesome. So the game is launching. We're gonna use packet sender again. Load file. And we don't want to go back here, so just load this file. The game is loaded. We're gonna send this. Now we just have to send again all the files. But before that, I just realized I don't want to have some fucking random shit here. Okay, so we're gonna send packet 15, 19. Oh, it's actually 21, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43. Okay, so we're gonna. This is the menu. Okay. We're gonna add this. Okay, we have to make a new call here. This one's gonna be called 3, 4. There's 5. We're gonna just call it syscall fucking 15 because I like 15. Okay, so what are the arguments of this syscall, right? The first argument is this. Where's Jomel dev tool? Where's my dev tool? Fuck off. Desktop, source. Okay, so test bin debug. No, I think it was release dev tool. Okay. So what was I gonna try? Oh yeah. Connect. What the fuck is this process? So Skull is 562. 562. We're just gonna make them integers. Pretty sure they're all integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. R3. R3, R4. This stands for register, people. 7, 8. There's 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Now let's see. R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9. So we don't have R10. And we don't fucking care about R10. Okay. Now we're gonna do like this. Something like this. 15. Okay. And it's gonna have the same arguments in here. Gappy, what the fuck is this? Here we go. What was it? 5, 6, 2. 6, 2. 5, 6, 2. Five, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2. Fine. Okay. So this should work. Okay, now we have to see. So it sends this, it does the 977. So before doing this, it does this. Which something here. Zero. Now, page allocate. Game. Whoops. What the fuck is this? I don't want. Okay. So here it does 277 1 2F 1 kernel address. Okay, so now the menu is in memory, and we're gonna just double check where it is in memory. So guys, look at this. I'll tell you why I need a debuggy boot, my friend. I need a debuggy boot to make sure I can debug other things. and have a better view. See, so this is his menu. And stone menu. We're gonna call it Fusion. Okay, Fusion bin address there. We're gonna use the last here. Let's use a calculator. We're gonna add this size. We're gonna take this minus this. But we're just gonna we're gonna dump 2, 7, 1, 2, 3. Dump is done. Boom. Release. Dump Fusion bin. We're gonna compare this file. Always compare to. Okay, let's say desktop. Fusion v2. Okay, this one. I want to compare both files. Windows, analyst, comparison, compare both. So those two are identical. One, 2, 3. Weird. Why would it just stop there? But they're identical, so that's not the issue. Okay, we're gonna try this. Okay. Before I try anything here, I want to see what this contains. Where's this? Okay. Actually, I want here. I want to get it. C8. It's a different process, and it doesn't even show here. Refresh. Interesting. Webman. Unlock kernel explorer. No? Didn't work? Oh, unlock? Still nothing? Am I even connected? Unlock? Did I freeze? That tool freeze. Okay, fuck this. Ah! Close. Release. Connect. I want a webman. This should work. Oh no, I'm on too low firmware. Fuck. Well, interesting. We're gonna restart a PS3 and we're gonna try this. This process. Interesting. Okay. 56. Wait, what is it? 562. Okay, go down. 562. Failed. Percent P. The error's gonna be here. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh, I forgot you can't debug in SPRX. Okay, we're gonna try this. I might crash. It's gonna be interesting. So, we go documents. This is gonna be really fun. Project. Debug. Copy. We're gonna copy it to the bin. We already did this process, guys. So we're gonna edit the SPRX here in X editor. Control F. We're searching for this value, and we want to replace it by this value. F. Control F. Control F. Control F. Okay, it's done. We changed everything. Boom, boom, boom. We go back here. We delete this and this because we don't need it anymore. And we're gonna make it a SPRX again. Resign it. It's resigned. We don't need this. Now we will use this here. Who cares if I didn't call it BO1? We're just gonna leave it to BO2 for the sake of testing. We're gonna have to restart our PS3 one more time. So now here's what's up. We're trying to crack Fusion. We got the packets. There's this syscall. It's a CAPI syscall, I remind you, with those arguments. So we're just gonna feed them those arguments. But I fear that when it gets the packet here, it gets a value inside those. Those are probably buffers. This is a process. Which process? That I have no fucking clue. And this, just some, I don't think this is useful. We could remove it. I'm pretty sure we could just remove that. But we're all going to test this. Now, let's launch Black Ops 1. Okay, so we're going to clear all our output here. Our debugging. 3, 2, 1, launching Black Ops 1. Okay, let's just check if my fan is okay because it's really loud. You probably can hear it. Okay, it's at 68. Yo, guys, you could steal my SID if you want. I don't have a valid SID. Fuck you. Just meant to say that. Okay. This don't work for shit. Okay, the gun's launching. Now, this time we have a SPRX. Failed to allocate. Okay, see? This time, it failed all that. But the reason is the game didn't load yet. So, fuck me. I have to restart my PS3 one more time. Because I was too early. Motherfucker. Wish Waffles could give me. We have to edit this SPRX again. See? This should be 10. This should be 100 and just 100. But let's make it 100. We should put it fucking 2 minutes. Fuck it. 120. So we go through the same process again. We just build a new fucking SPRX, we're gonna have to copy it, here, replace this one. Well, we're gonna decrypt our SPRX right here. It's decrypted. Now we don't need the encrypted one. Once it's decrypted, we could edit it in HX editor. Once it's decrypted, we are looking for this value. This value basically, for people who wonders, it's the syscall of Sony. And we're changing it with the syscall of Cappy. So quite interesting. Telling you. Control F, find. Control F. Should be one more time because we added one more. Boom, it's done. We can close this. We don't need the backup because fuck it, we're probably gonna have to retry it again. So this is the process of cracking something. It's super long, super painful. That's why you guys don't want to do it. Overwrite. Now we're gonna have to restart a PS3 because we just did a modification. Boom! Let's go live. Go live. I want to be on live chat. PS3 is rebooting. PS3 kind of froze. Okay, it don't froze. Okay, so okay, the game's loading. Okay, so now we're waiting for it to inject. Okay, so technically I made it wait 2 minutes plus 10 seconds. So we're gonna have to wait 2 minutes, 10 seconds because I'm guessing. If it works, I'm gonna be happy. If it doesn't, well, fuck me. But it should work. Three, two. Whenever you want, buddy. I could also make it so that I'm looking for an offset, and when this offset is there, to wait 10 seconds. Hmm. Loaded. Okay, failed to allocate address, not yet. Oh, that's interesting. Funny, I got this to work. This random fucking syscall works. So this works, but the rest doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna try something. Whoops. We're gonna try skipping stuff. So this worked, so we're gonna try to just send this one. Doesn't let me. Load. We're gonna send this file. Okay, this worked. We're gonna try to send. Ah, doesn't work. Let's see what happens. It gets this, but doesn't reach to allocate. Okay, now we're gonna just send all of them. We're gonna load packet 3. We're gonna, oops, I don't want to send. We're gonna save it. We're gonna send. We're gonna send 15. We're gonna send 31. See, it works. With the packets, it works. I know what I have to do. Waffle. Sometimes I need help. Send 31. We're gonna send 33. But actually, I don't really care about all this. Now I'm thinking of it. Okay, I got We want this one to work. Okay. Before I fuck around like that, no. Now I want to go forward. Okay. Before I do that, it's kernel. But what that we don't really care. Okay, I'm really trying to figure this out, guys. Source. I want my Cappy source. Bin release. Connect. Attach. Whatever. What's a disk offset? You're saying that it's 8 byte long. 8 byte long. So let's get memory. It's null. Let's attach to this. 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. Yo, 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 iPro. Continue. My bad. An offset to an offset to an offset. I want 32. And it's okay because we're gonna go here. We're gonna change it to AUN32. Congrats on the subscriber. So, thirty-two. 32. Tell me. Then failed to create thread, which I never had trouble with thread. We're gonna try this, but I want fail error. I'm gonna put %p, and I want red. Okay. So we're gonna get basically the return, the error it got. Same thing here. I want the red. I want to know what is the return error. Okay, I suspect something. I'll POC. Okay, so it's encrypted. Okay, this is my new. There's one error. Let's see what's the error though. Shut up. Go to 32 and fuck this. Build success. Okay, good. Always check if your build is a success. Bon, replace this bitch on ourselves. Okay, yo Waffles, you there? Enter the chat. Cause I think I'll prove of concept what I'm advancing. Here you go. What the fuck? Oh. I just need to send my SPRX. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Control F. Okay, so save this shit. Once